Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you an amazing recipe one of my guests, Gareth, who visited this month, made, and it's just such an amazing starter if you have guests coming over and you want to impress them. So what you need Radicchio, which is the famous Italian component of salad. It has a little bit of a bitter note, which is a very important part of the Italian flavor profile. So wash them and then dry them off, and so you'll end up with what looks like a bit of a cup of radicchio, a beautiful red veined cabbage. Then you need buffala mozzarella, the highest quality that you can find. This is a DOP buffalo mozzarella, and yes, so you need that. You can either get a big one and cut it in two, or you can get these size ones as I have, okay? The golf ball size ones. You can also use burrata. I love burrata if you can find it, but either this or buffalo, whichever you can get. Then you need some kind of salty pancetta, or maybe some slices of salami. It's fine. I've made pancetta because you need the salty component, the creamy component, which is mozzarella or burrata, and then you need the acid and the sweet. So I've got a very juicy ripe nectarine. I think you can see that, and you're going to slice it into halves, quarters, and so those are the components you need. Now let's put this together. Another thing you need, which I'm just reaching for, is some glassa, balsamic cream, or balsamic, the thicker one, not the running one, okay? So what you're going to do, I'll just assemble one for you. It's super easy. See if I can just bring this down a little, and I'll do it in front of you here. So you're going to get a plate, and in the leaf inside that you're going to put 2 of these lovely mozzarella balls. Then you're going to put the lovely salty bacon or salami. Then you're going to put the peach, and so it's going to look like that. And then you're going to put a little bit of Mediterranean herbs. You can also put some fresh basil if you like fresh basil. It's nice with the mozzarella balls, but and a little bit of salt. I'm using Brittany grey salt. So, and then what you're going to do is you're going to just dribble a tiny bit of this balsamic, and it's going to look like this. So it looks like that, okay? And then what you're going to do, when you've got the components, the salty, the sweet, and the peach, you're going to wrap this like a wrap. So you're going to wrap it like a wrap, and then the person is literally going to eat this as a wrap. And so each mouthful will give you, and I'm going to do that, it's a bit messy to do this on camera, but I'm going to do it. So each mouthful is going to give you some of the radicchio, some of the lovely nectarine peach, some of the mozzarella ball, and some of that salty bacon. That was so juicy and delicious. So it will be served on a plate like that. You can make lots of them. Here in France, in the Rhone region, I just wanted to show you, it's late afternoon, the gorgeous sunshine, how beautiful these flowers are that line the roads here in Peruge. So there we are. Peruge is in the region of the Rhone. I can't get over what a gorgeous village this is. You can walk everywhere. There's lovely restaurants to eat in, and I'm walking down there right now. You can get a train out from Lyon. If you're in Lyon, get a train out here. I think it's just the rush hour. In the main road, it's Friday evening. There we are. Meximieux is twinned with Perouge, and that's where you can get a train from. So look how pretty the little boxes are along the river here. There's a river running through the village. It's super wonderful. There we are. Meximieux is twinned with Düsseldorf in Germany. I have no idea where that is, but anyway, we're a little river, and on that side the same. And I'm just walking down here because I've had a restaurant recommendation just down there in the little village, and yes, so it's very safe and nice to walk. And as I say, I'm in the Lyon Alpes-Rhône region, and I came out by train. So if you don't want to travel by car and you don't want to hire a car, it's okay, you can so I'm just gonna take you with me until I get to the restaurant. I'm going to a little boucheron, traditional French restaurant, and yeah, super excited and happy about it and feeling really relaxed here in France. So I'm going to cross the road with all this major traffic. Yeah, maybe I should go on the pedestrian. Yeah, maybe I should not take my life into my own hands, go on the pedestrian crossing. Yeah, and apparently just, I don't know, 100 meters down here, there's a lovely little restaurant where I'm going to go and have dinner. They also have a supermarket here. Believe it or not, they don't seem to be short of anything that you would need. So yes, crossing the pedestrian crossing, and this restaurant was recommended to me, and I do love traditional French, so there's a church right in the end there where there's another little restaurant that perhaps I'll try out tomorrow. But for tonight, I'm going to this closer restaurant that I'll show you now when I get there. It's the first time for me here in the countryside of France, in rural France. It's a very cute little town. It has everything. Estate agents, shops, supermarkets, train station. Yeah, I must admit I've been very impressed with the towns in the French countryside so far. Haven't found one I didn't like yet. So anyway, there's a lovely fountain on the roundabout as you come into town from the station if you're coming by car. Yeah, it's definitely Friday afternoon rush hour. Everyone's going home or going away for the weekend, I suppose. It's about 7 o'clock. Yeah. The restaurant. And here it is. La Fine Boucher. Fine Boucher is where I'm coming for dinner. It's right at the roundabout. It was recommended to me, and so I'm going to go in. Bonsoir. Just me. Okay, there we are. I'm here, so I'm going to leave you now. and I'll let you know the review after. Maybe I'll just show you quickly the menu. Thank you. Okay. There's some of the wines from the Rhone. Sorry. Some wines from the Rhone. What you can have. That's drinks. We're on food. So you can choose from those. And then there's a set menu. A menu for $17.50. You can have an entree, a plat de jour, and a dessert. Ooh, and the typical tartare, which you get in France because the beef is so good. Oh, I have to switch this off, the music's on. Okay, I'll leave you.